Okay, this is to the people that think this vacuum is absolute garbage. Yes, I know this is hardwood floor, but my sister has it. It's at her place. Now, I seen a video on here where someone was moving the vacuum literally like this. You are not supposed to freaking use a vacuum that fast. You're supposed to do it like this. Let it do the work. You're just overworking yourself. Now, I was taught this, and there was a big difference. I'm not calling you stupid. I'm just merely saying.
This just doesn't fit in there. I can try and twist it, but it doesn't stay. Up here, cream white.
Wiggle the thing. Move this.
Man, I used this thing one time and it doesn't work anymore. It's not getting any power.
I didn't put the cord wrapped around there the right way, but it is a super great product and very lightweight.